In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make beautiful gathers on your skirts without a sewing machine. You're going to use a hand sewing needle to make these gathers. So this is my hand sewing needle and I'm just going to thread it. So the length of the fabric is my waist circumference multiplied by 6. So I'm just going to start running a straight stitch on my fabric, as you can see, a running stitch. So the stitch length should be even. Then once I run my stitch, I'm going to show you the next stage of making the beautiful gathers. So I'm just going to start pulling my threads, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to reduce this to the length of my waistband. So I have a waistband and elastic. The length of my waistband is my hip measurement plus 2 inches. Then my elastic is my waist measurement minus 4 inches. So after attaching the waistband to the skirt, this is how beautiful it looks.